Hey, good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, so happy Friday. Hope you guys have got some nice plans over the weekend. My name is Andy Demi from the London Trading Institute, and today I'm going to be talking about an altcoin which I think is about to break out and could give us a really nice trading opportunity. So we're going to break down the chart, and I'm going to kind of share with you a couple of things to kind of learn from so that you can also spot the same sort of thing. And in this particular case, I really like the price action. I really like what's happened before we've got to this point where we are, and I'll explain all of that in just a moment. Now, before I head into the charts, what I want to ask you guys is to hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you are new to our channel. And if you could do us the courtesy of liking our videos, if you enjoy our content, it would really mean a lot to us because it helps us get it out to more and more people. So with that being said, guys, there's no more on that. I'm going to focus completely on teaching you what I'm looking to do on this particular altcoin. So let's bring it up, guys. So which altcoin am I talking about? Well, the altcoin is AVAX, Avalanche. And, this is one of those that is in my long-term holdings. It's had a really strong run up on the higher time frames. And then like everything else, like Bitcoin, like all the other cryptos, it's had a massive fall. But if I just kind of show you what the weekly chart looks like, here is your weekly chart right there. Okay, you can see, we had a real strong run up, which I caught most of, to be honest. I've still got a position. I did take half off. Can't remember the exact price, but a decent price. And now I'm looking to hold that for the long term. I really believe Avalanche has got a lot more scope to, to go higher. But in the short to medium term, I'm also looking to trade this, okay, on my futures account. Now, what do I like? Well, firstly, let's have a look at the daily, actually. Look at the moving averages. Can you see here? This is exactly what we want to see. So a long-term move up, the market comes back, but look how it comes back to its 200 and its 50. And when you see the 50 and the 200 converge like this, this is a real sign here that this market could be about to really break out. And what I also really like here is that we've broken this upper channel line, and this doesn't look like a fake move to me. This looks really strong move up to break, nice consolidation. And when you go to the hourly time frame, you'll really see exactly what that looks like. It is a flag. Okay, if we go to the lower time frame here, it is basically a flag. Okay, so you have this this move higher here, and then flag, and then potentially we then move up towards the upper part of this this diagonal line here. Okay, now and this is a line that's been holding very well. Now, what I really like about this setup is that, for me, this is a clear bear trap, okay? And I do mean bear trap, okay, not bull trap, because here we had this situation where it actually looked like, for a short period of time, that we had broken this really key support line here and that the market could go lower. But what it did was it went back and closed back above here, and then really showed strength here and has now broken on the other side. This is a typical trap where you see the market break one way, sucks people into short, and then breaks the other way. And then most likely it's likely to go high. Now, what could stop this going high? Well, if Bitcoin, for example, doesn't break out and, finds resistance, then this could also find some resistance. So what we want to do is a couple of things. Firstly, we want to see this breakout here. Okay, let's get a breakout. Okay, second thing, so one is breakout. Okay, number one. Number two, we want to check volume. So when it breaks out, is volume just increasing? So showing some signs that at least it's average volume or an increase in volume. If those two things happen, Number 3, okay, go and check Bitcoin. Okay, go and check Bitcoin. Right, I'm not very good at typing out. Go and check Bitcoin. Right, what are we checking? Well, let's go and have a look at Bitcoin right now. So here is Bitcoin, okay? And I want to show you the daily chart. If we draw a horizontal line right here, we can see we've been speaking about this level for a while. This is a key level here, okay? This is 45,700. And look how the 200 moving average is right here as well. Okay, this is a past area of support. We've rejected once, twice. Now, is it going to be a third time? Well, possibly. Okay, possibly. However, what we want to see here is if Bitcoin can close above here like that, that would give me the third signal for me to basically trade Avalanche higher. Because the reality is, guys, is that even though this looks like a great setup, okay, I've lost my lines now because I've gone on the wrong one. Hold on. Even though the setup looks good. Okay. Don't know which one I had. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. The point is that if Bitcoin holds that resistance, then the likelihood is that you're going to get kind of like a fake out probably. It's likely to, if Bitcoin is going down, it's highly unlikely that we're going to get the breakout that we're looking for. So those are the 3 key things, guys, that I am looking for personally to take this trade. And then I think, we have got room to certainly go up towards that 110 area, 108 to 110 area. And, if you want to kind of take this as a kind of pure pattern play, now I would be doing other things. I'd be using Fibonacci and, obviously I haven't got my lines here right now, but on the lines that I have drawn in, but on a pure pattern play, this is how it works. Let me show you. Here's your flag. Okay, like that. And we would take the pole like that, okay, of this flag. And then we would project it up like that. And this gives us an upper target of approximately 113.7. Okay, 113.7. And obviously you don't want to necessarily go for the whole target. Let's put that on the daily chart and see if it's like a major level there. So it's about there is where this is projecting to get to. And if you kind of just take the fib, I think the fib would roughly, this little swing here, I would roughly agree with it. Let's make sure we got high to low. So here's your 1618 perfectly there. So the 1618 there comes in at 111.75. So I personally think that we have got a really nice potential setup there that we can trade for about 32%. And that is all from me today, guys. That's all I'm going to cover. I'm liking the price action right now. We're heading into the weekend. It looks nice. The sun is out in London. Bitcoin's going up. All feels very nice at the moment. However, of course, we know this is cryptos, and in cryptos, anything can happen. And obviously, guys, we know there's a lot of volatility right now. There's a lot of uncertainty. There's a lot of news events happening, and that can completely change the viewpoint very, very quickly. So just bear that in mind. But that's why I love trading, because we'll have a stop loss in, and we're going to have a certain amount, we're going to have a limited amount of risk on the trade. But you can see there's a huge potential gain of 32%, a 32% move. That's not taking into account leverage. So you could definitely do even better than that if you're leveraging this idea. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like our video if you enjoyed our content. Otherwise, don't forget to have a great weekend and enjoy your family time. And hopefully you've also got some sunshine wherever you are. That's all from me, guys. You have a good one. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.